Good morning, everybody. It's Trent Klarenbach with Klarenbach Research. Today is Thursday, May the 23rd, and we will take a little break from our regular grain coverage. And today we'll look at a few other commodities such as Bitcoin, cocoa. We'll go back to oil, look at USLD, diesel fuel futures, and we will look at natural gas. So first, let's look at Bitcoin here. We can see how Bitcoin has found resistance in that $7,000, $71,000 range, and is pulling back. We look to we'll look for a level of interest down here on the 67,000 and see if we find support from there. Cocoa is interesting to us, been in the news quite a bit, the run up in prices. You can see here though that we have, since the highs on Friday, April the 19th, that cocoa has retraced 33%, which is pretty significant for a month's worth of trading. It's really volatile, but look at the run up from the start of the year in January, like just almost a parabolic move. And I'm not sure if you're seeing that in increased chocolate prices or not, but I'm not discretionary with my chocolate prices, so I haven't noticed them. Let's look at oil here. Light crude oil futures, they're trading, keeps trading below the 200-day moving average, which is represented by the purple line here. We're making new lows. It's hard to be bullish oil when we are making new lows below a 200-day moving average. USLD futures, this is diesel fuel futures in the U.S. here, and take a look at this here. We're trading below, again, the 200-week moving average, which is even more of a bullish statement. So if we go on the shorter time frame, though, we can see here that we are well below the 200 and the 50-day moving averages. The 50 days represented by the green line. It's hard to imagine that diesel prices are going higher. They're more likely to go lower, in our opinion. Natural gas has got quite a bounce here from the start of the year back in, I guess, end of February. We see some overhead resistance here, probably around that, 317 all the way up to 380. So it's got a little bit of room to go here, but it's quite extended. So maybe we see a slowdown in the price around that 316 level. We'll see what happens. But anyways, hey, we can learn more about us at Klarenbach.ca. We publish the Klarenbach Grain Report and the Klarenbach Special Crops Report. We're going to be publishing our performance in the special crops and the Canadian cash markets here shortly, and I think they're very impressive. So I think you want to check them out. Klarenbach.ca.